In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best WWE SuperCard QR codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, you'll have to go to this website, which will be in the description of this video. And as you can see right here, we have some QR codes that you can use to get some supercards. For example, we have this one with a Hulk Hogan card, or we also have this one with 15 credits. So if you scan this QR code right here, you will get the 15 credits to your account. So if you want to get, for example, let's say this one with Hulk Hogan, all you have to do is just follow the steps right here. And after you do that, you should be able to get this super card on your account. So just decide what QR code you need right here and what super card you want. And after that, just simply follow these steps in order to claim your prize. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.